Hi everyone, my name is Farha and today I will be telling you some of the content marketing statistics that you should know. For all those who don't know me, my name is Farha and I have nearly 6 years of experience in content marketing and SEO, and currently I am working for a edtech startup. So I am very much interested in content marketing and SEO as well as content writing. So enough about me. So now I should start reading it for you. Some of the content marketing statistics that you should know. Guys, please note that the article that I am reading today is from Search Engine General. You can also follow this website as they post really amazing, useful content for budding as well as experienced digital marketers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Stay informed with latest marketing statistics. Discover how optimized content can elevate your digital marketing efforts. Content continues to sit atop the list of priorities in most marketing strategies, and there is plenty of evidence to support the reasoning. Simply put, content marketing is crucial to any digital marketing strategy, whether running a small local business or a large multinational corporation. After all, content in its many and evolving form is indestructibly the very lifeblood upon which the web and social media is based. Modern SEO has effectively become optimized content marketing for all intent and purposes. This is when Google demands and rewards businesses that create content demonstrating experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, that is EEAT, for their customers. Content that answer all of the questions consumer may have about their service, product, or business in general. Content marketing involves creating and sharing helpful, relevant, entertaining, and consistent content in various text, image, video, and audio-based format to the plethora of traditional and online channels available to modern marketers. The primary focus should be on attracting and retaining a clearly defined audience with the ultimate goal of driving profitable and customer action. Different types of content can and should be created for each stage of consumer journey. Some content like blogs or how-to videos are informative or educational. Meanwhile, other contents like promotional campaigns, landing pages gets to the top of enticing prospective customers to buy. But with so much of content being produced and shared every day, it's important to stay updated on the latest trend and best practices in content marketing to keep pace and understand what strategy may be most effective. Never has this been more true than in 2024, when we are in the mid of a content revolution led by generative AI, which some feel represent both an opportunity and threat to marketers. To help you keep up, here are some content marketing statistics I think you should know. Content marketing usage. How many businesses are leveraging content marketing, and how are they planning to find success? According to the Content Marketing Institute, 73% of B2B marketers and 70% of B2C marketers use content marketing strategy as a part of their overall marketing strategy. 97% of marketers surveyed by SEMrush achieved success with their content marketing in 2023. A B2B content marketing study conducted by CMI, that is Content Marketing Institute, found that 40% of B2B marketers have a documented content marketing strategy, 33% have a strategy but it's not documented, and 27% have no strategy. Half of the surveyed marketers by CMI said they outsource at least one content marketing activity. Content marketing strategy. What strategy are content marketers using or finding to be most effective? 83% of marketers believe it's more effective to create higher quality content less often. In 2022, Statista research study of marketers worldwide, 62% of respondents emphasized the importance of being always on for their customer, while 23% viewed content-led communication as the most effective method for personalized targeting efforts. With the increased focus on AI-generated search engine results, 31% of B2B marketers say they are sharpening their focus on user intent, answering questions. 27% are creating more thought leadership content, and 22% are creating more conversational content. Types of content. Content marketing was synonymous with posting blogs, but the web and content have evolved into audios, videos, interactive and meta formats. Here are a few stats on how the various type of contents are trending and performing. Short form. Short form videos like TikTok and Instagram Reel is a number one content marketing format, offering the highest return on investment. 43% of marketers reported that original graphics like infographics and illustration were the most effective type of visual content. 72% of B2C marketers expected their organization to invest in content marketing in 2022. The State of Content Marketing 2023 Global Report by SEMrush reveals that articles containing at least one video tend to attract 40% more organic traffic than those without. Interactive content generates 52.6% more engagement compared to static content. On average, buyers spend 8.5 minutes viewing static content items and 13 minutes on interactive content items. Content creation. Creating helpful, unique, engaging content can be one of the marketers' greatest challenges. However, innovative marketers are looking at generative AI as a tool to help ideate, create, and edit and analyze content quicker and in most cost-effective manner. Here are some of the stats around content creation and just how quickly AI is changing the game. Generative AI reached over 100 million users just 2 months after ChatGPT's launch. A recent Href poll found that almost 80% of respondents had already adopted AI tools in their content marketing strategies. Marketers who are using AI said it helps with brainstorming new topics, 51%, researching headlines and keywords, 45%, and writing drafts, 45%. Further, marketers polled by HubSpot said they save 2.5 hours per day using AI for content. Content distribution. It is not simply enough to create and publish content. For a content strategy to be successful, it must include distributing content via the channels frequented by businesses' target audience. Facebook is still the dominant social channel for content distribution, but video-centric channels like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are growing faster. B2B marketers reported to CMI that LinkedIn was the most common and top performing organic social media distribution channel by 84% by a healthy margin. All other channels came under 30%. 80% of B2B marketers who use paid distribution use paid social media advertising. Content consumption. Once content reaches an audience, it's important to understand how an audience consumes the content or takes action as a result. A 2023 content preferences study by Demand Gen reveals that 62% of B2B buyers prefer practical content like case studies to inform their purchasing decisions, citing a need for valid sources. The same study also found that buyers tend to rely heavily on content when researching potential business solution, with 46% reporting that they increase the amount of content they consume during this time. In the recent post, blogger Ryan Robinson reports the average reader spent 37 seconds reading the blog. Demand Gen survey participants also said they rely most on demos and user reviews to gain valuable insight into how a solution will meet their needs. Content marketing performance. One of the primary reasons content marketing has taken off is its ability to be measured, optimized, and tied to a return on investment. B2B marketers reported to CMI that top 3 goals content marketing helps them to achieve are creating brand awareness, building trust, and educating their target audience. 87% of B2B marketers surveyed use content marketing successfully to generate leads. 56% of marketers who leverage blogging say it's an effective tactic, and 10% it generates the greatest return on investment. 94% of marketers said personalization boosts sales. Content marketing budgets. Budget changes and the willingness to invest in specific marketing strategies are good indicator of how popular and effective these strategies are at a macro level. The following stats certainly seem to indicate marketers have bought into value of content. 61% of B2C marketers said their 2022 content marketing budget would exceed their 2021 budget. 22% of B2B marketers said they spent 50% or more of their total marketing budget on content marketing. Furthermore, 43% saw their content marketing budgets grow from 2020 to 2021, and 66% expect them to grow again in 2022. Content challenges. All forms of marketing come with challenges related to time, resources, expertise, and competition. Recognizing and addressing these challenges head on and well thought out strategies is the best way to overcome them and release success. Top 3 content challenges include attracting quality leads with content, creating more content faster, and generating content ideas. 44% of marketers polled for CMI's 2022 report, B2B report, highlighted the challenge of creating the right content for multi-level roles as their top concern. This replaced internal communication as the top challenge from the previous year. Changes to SEO, search engine algorithm, changes to social media algorithm, and data management analytics are also among the top concerns for B2C marketers. 47% of people are seeking downtime from internet-enabled devices due to digital fatigue. While generative AI has noted benefits, it also presents challenges for some marketers who fear it may replace them. In HubSpot study, 23% said they felt we should avoid using generative AI. Another challenge with AI is how quickly it has come onto the scene without giving organization time to provide training or to create policies and procedures for its appropriate and legal use. According to CMI, when asked if their organization have guidelines for using generative AI tools, 31% of marketers said yes, 61% said no, and 8% were unsure. Time to get started. As you can clearly see and perhaps have already realized, content marketing can be highly effective and cost efficient way to generate leads, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Content in many formats powers virtually all online interactions. Generative AI is effectively helping to solve some of the time and resource challenges by acting as a turbo powered marketing assistant while also raising a few procedural concerns. However, the demand for the content remains strong. Those willing to put in work of building a documented content strategy and executing it by producing, optimizing, distributing, and monitoring high value, relevant, customer centric content with the help of AI or not can reap significant business reward. So, I think you might have understood what are the advantages of doing content marketing and how it has changed with time. So that's all for today. I hope you like the content. I would like to repeat again that this is an authentic article from Search Engine General. So I will mention the link of this article in the comment. So thank you for listening. Have a great day.